Here comes my new video, and guess where I am? Any guess? I know you know this place. This is IKEA, a Sweden brand in India, Mumbai, Navi Mumbai. So now let's go barefoot and enjoy. Let's see if there is any restriction for the barefoot girl, because I am just so daring. So here I am for some shopping and some barefooting too. So beautiful and so cozy. I love the collection here in IKEA. Let's go and enjoy and explore more. Let's go and enjoy more. Here you can see that I'm not using the escalator, I'm using the stair because more benefit of this barefooting. That's what I love actually. Some Christmas vibes already. So now let's enjoy some food also, because I love Swedish dishes. So I'll share with you that what I'll eat today. Being a barefoot girl, I try to eat healthy, but some cheat diet too today. The best thing I like about IKEA is that they display everything so that you can see live everything. That's how it will work. See. The amazing experience. So tell me, in your country, is there any IKEA store? And do you like it? Because I love it a lot. Their presentation is just superb. Next level. I love these cutleries, these glasses too. So just checking. Few. Being barefoot. It's just like a museum for me. Wow, the beautiful greenery all around. Let me see and check. Wow, beautiful. And this is for the toddler. So my dirty feet on these beautiful sheets. Here you can see the ballet sandals, but I'm not wearing anything, so this is something different. See, the presentation is just so superb, next level. It seems that I'm in a live washroom. I just love IKEA now. So these glasses I'm taking for myself because they're just so handy and colorful. Another beautiful collection. The view is just awesome, next level. Beautiful sofa couch sets, just amazing, next level. Amazing collection. This net is just looking superb. So time for some food. Because right now my stomach is feeling empty already. Lot of walk, in this IKEA outlet. So now I'll walk only. Let's enjoy the food because I heard a lot that this is just so amazing, next level food here in IKEA. So I'll be taking the chicken meatballs meal that is of less money. I'm going to take that only, and maybe with that I'll check and I'll take more things too. My favorite here is this cheese cake, so I'm going to take that too. इसी ले लो ले लो So I'm making coffee, some cappuccino. Handmade. Happy birthday to me. So this is my favorite cheesecake. Done with the eating. Now going to give these utensils to the cleaning station. I just love this thing about IKEA, about their cleaning station too, that you can return your trays. Has a special counter. That's why this brand is just unique. Here's the cleaning station. One more time and it's done. So this outlet is just so big.